Welcome to Know What's Trending, your first port of call for the latest trending information. Today, we're delving into the realm of high-performance automobiles with the 2024 Lotus. Representing the conclusion of an era and the dawn of a new one, the Emira is the final internal combustion engine model from the legendary Lotus brand. Pioneering the path towards a fully electric future, the Emira proudly claims its role as the successor to the deeply cherished Emira GT. It introduces a more functional design, an enhanced interior, and an array of active safety features. Hidden beneath its elegant hood, you'll discover one of two power plants. A turbocharged 2-litre 4-cylinder engine, delivering a robust 360 horsepower, or a supercharged 3.5-litre V6 engine, commanding an impressive 400 horsepower. So, if you're an auto aficionado with a passion for power and flair, stay tuned. We're just revving up. Scene script. Let's delve into the specifics of the 2024 Lotus Emira. The Emira is the final swan song for Lotus's internal combustion engines as they prepare for an electric future. It comes with two engine options, each offering a unique driving experience. The first is a turbocharged 2-litre 4-cylinder engine that produces a robust 360 horsepower. The second, a supercharged 3.5-litre V6 engine, boasts an impressive 400 horsepower. With either of these powerhouses under the hood, the Emira is nothing short of a thrilling ride. The architecture of the Emira is another aspect that sets it apart. The car features a bonded aluminium structure, a testament to Lotus's commitment to lightweight engineering. This not only enhances the car's agility, but also contributes significantly to its overall performance. Taking design cues from the Evija hypercar, the Emira's exterior is a symphony of aerodynamics and aesthetics. The sleek lines and aggressive stance give it a look that's both sporty and sophisticated, a testament to the brand's racing heritage. But the Emira is not just about power and looks. The interior is a blend of minimalism and intimacy that makes every drive an experience. The cockpit houses a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, providing all the vital information at a glance. It also features a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, ensuring entertainment and connectivity are always within reach. Furthermore, Lotus has ensured that the Emira offers more than just raw performance and aesthetics. Optional driver assistance technology is available, marking a significant step towards active safety features for the brand. With these impressive specs, the Emira promises an exhilarating ride. Now let's shift gears and talk about the Emira's transmission and performance. The power under the hood of the Emira can be harnessed by either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, depending on your preference. This flexibility allows you to truly customize your driving experience, whether you're an old-school enthusiast who enjoys the tactile feedback of shifting gears manually, or you lean towards the convenience and smoothness of an automatic transmission. The Emira's V6 engine, supercharged to deliver a robust 400 horsepower, is a testament to Lotus's commitment to performance. This engine, coupled with either of the transmission options, promises an exhilarating ride. Imagine the thrill of pressing down on the accelerator, the engine roaring to life as the world blurs past your windows. That's the kind of experience the Emira is designed to deliver. While we don't have the exact performance figures for the Emira just yet, given Lotus's track record and the specs we do know, we can make an educated guess. Expect a car that's quick off the line, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time, likely in the low 4-second range. Handling a traditional strength of Lotus cars should be exceptional, allowing the Emira to carve through corners with ease and precision. And let's not forget about the Emira's bonded aluminum architecture. This lightweight construction method not only helps improve fuel efficiency, but also enhances the car's performance by reducing the weight it needs to move. In the world of sports cars, every pound matters, and Lotus has done an excellent job of keeping the Emira's weight in check. Whether you prefer manual or automatic, the Emira offers a compelling performance that's hard to match. It's time to talk dollars and cents. How much will the 2024 Lotus Emira set you back, and how does it stack up against its competition? Let's dive straight into the numbers. The base price for the Emira is $77,100. If you're looking to upgrade, the first edition model begins at $96,100. Now you might be wondering, how does this compare to the competition? Well, let's look at the Porsche 718 Cayman, for instance. A direct competitor to the Emira, the Cayman is priced around $60,000 for its base model. That's a significant difference. However, remember that the Emira comes with a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine producing 360 horsepower, or a supercharged 3.5-litre V6 engine with 400 horsepower. That's quite a lot of power for the price. On the other hand, we have the Chevrolet Corvette, another competitor in the sports car arena. The Corvette's base model is around $60,000 as well, closer to the Cayman than the Emira. But again, the Emira's superior horsepower and unique features may justify the higher price tag for some. So what's the value proposition of the Emira? Well, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in an experience. The Emira offers a more practical design, improved interior, and active safety features. It's also the last Lotus model to use an internal combustion engine before the company transitions to an all-electric future. That's a piece of history right there. In conclusion, the Emira is priced slightly higher than its competitors. But for that extra investment, you're getting a car that's powerful, practical, and packed with personality. It's a unique blend of performance, style, and heritage that you won't find in many other cars at this price point. Priced competitively, the Emira offers a unique blend of performance, style, and heritage. As we wrap up our exploration of the 2024 Lotus Emira, it's clear that this car is a fitting send-off to Lotus's internal combustion engine era. This swan song from Lotus boasts a turbocharged 2-litre four-cylinder engine or a supercharged 3.5-litre V6 engine, offering a power-packed performance that car enthusiasts will appreciate. The Emira's design, inspired by the Aviga hypercar and its improved interior, complete with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, make it a car that's as much about comfort as it is about speed. Moreover, the Emira's active safety features and optional driver assistance technology demonstrate Lotus's commitment to passenger safety, while the car's competitive pricing starting at $77,100 sets it apart in its category. In conclusion, the 2024 Lotus Emira is a testament to Lotus's legacy, a car that combines power, design, and safety in one sleek package, making it a compelling choice for car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to know what's trending for the latest in trending information. Until next time, drive safe and stay trendy.